Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Arthur and you're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today in this video I want to show you another little tool that could be helpful in your garage or to keep in your vehicle, whether it's your Jeep, truck, whatever you go off-roading in, and that is a Boulders Tool Rapid Tire Deflator. So stick around and I'm going to show you how this works. It's quick, simple, easy, and affordable. I'll leave some information in the description, pricing, and how you can purchase this. Okay, so your Boulder Tools Rapid Tire Deflator. The kit comes with the tool itself. Nice little carrying pouch. And it comes with new straighter valves or valve stem cores. Anytime you're removing those, you take a chance on maybe losing it or damaging it. So at least you got replacements that come with the kit. Okay guys, so let's cover some parts here of the Rapid Tire Deflator. We got a pressure gauge, got a little air release valve, brass fittings, braided hose. This is the working end here. This is where we'll actually, this is a threaded piece here that we'll actually install on the valve stem. This is our air release collar, and this is how we'll install it. And then this end here is actually the valve stem core removal tool. You'll actually turn this to actually remove the valve stem core. That's how this tool rapidly allows the air out of the tires. We're actually removing the valve stem core. So this is a great tool. You keep around in your off-road vehicle, keep it in your garage, whatever you want to do. But it's a good tool to maintain your air pressure in your tires or to reduce the air pressure in your tires quickly. You can use this in the place of deflators, or you can use this to help set your deflators to a desired PSI. So it's a great tool. I'll leave the pricing and a link to purchase down in the description, but stick around and let me show you how to use it. Okay, so let's go ahead and thread this on. Just thread it on gently. Push the air release collar, just push it forward. Okay, so now that that's on, now what we want to do is you're going to take the valve stem removal tool here on the end. You're going to just gently kind of twist and turn it until you feel it just lock in. Now it's engaged the core. Now you just want to gently start to release the valve core. You can see our pressure gauge is up to like 29, 30 psi. Okay, so now we probably have got the valve core out all the way. So now we want to rapidly deflate the tire. You take the air release collar. And each time you do that, you have to use the little release valve here to set your air pressure. See where it's at on the gauge. We're almost down to 25 psi there, so you can see how rapidly that's deflating that tire with the valve core out. So there we are, we're about 25, 24 psi. So if that's your desired pressure, insert the valve stem core tool, just push it in, and then lightly start to thread the valve core back into the stem. Right there, just snug it up and you're done. And that's how you use this tool to rapidly deflate your tires. So now we just want to remove it. It's as simple as that. It's a great tool, very effective in rapidly bringing down the air pressure in the tires, and pretty simple to use. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the little video. Hope you learned something a little bit about the Boulder Tools Rapid Tire Deflator, on how to use it and where to purchase it at, and the pricing will all be in the description area. So hey, I'd like to hear your comments on what kind of tools that you use to maintain your tires, deflate them, keep them inflated to the proper levels. I'd love to hear those comments down below, so please do so. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, And thanks for watching, guys.